Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add someone in Google Chat. So if you're new into this app by Google, you can chat with other person that use this Google Chat. Of course, if he or she had a Gmail, Google Mail account, of course he can use this Google Chat as a primary app to start conversation with other. So let's get started by open this Google Chat. You can download from Play Store if your Android phone or your iPhone there is not a Google app or Google Chat app. So this is the interface. So all you have to do is just tap on this message icon and you can try to search the person, space or app by the emails. Here, for example, you can tap email of one of your friends, and of course you can find or you can create your own space here, so you can invite other to join to make a group, for example, or you can browse the spaces. You can find conversation here. And also if you scroll down, there is a some app that you can chat. Usually this is like app bot or AI that you can join. So this is the Google app. Maybe you're interested to use this Google app as your primary chat apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.